bloop, 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 bloop. Get in there. Get back in there. Box for Devin comes today.
I'm just excited.
Ooh.
Dad, open it. Open it.
Have here.
Just more plastic.
They wrapped them up good for us. Oh, wait. Something feels wet. This one broke already? Darn it, our green one was returned to sender.
Blue, purple.
Alright.
Does it appear to be leaking at all when you squeeze it? Whoa.
Give me that thing.
Do these even have a brand? You're not supposed to squeeze them too hard or they will explode. But they seem to be good. Maybe they just had some kind of nasty residue on them. Orange stays orange. Don't want to squeeze too hard. Green stays green. But blue turns purple. How cool is that? Do them all at the same time. Yeah, it's that. I don't know if they're leaking or what. Yeah, it smells like some kind of petroleum-based. Try to make them come out as many holes as you possibly can. Ooh.
Look at me.
Nice. I can see how people pop these because I want to squeeze it really hard, but you gotta contain yourself.
Don't squeeze it. I don't want to break this one.
Blue is your favorite?
Or this one. Or this one.
No, shoot.
I like these.
Does your hands feel a tiny bit sticky?
Kind of.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa!
Purple.
That's neat.
Color changing.
Too bad they all aren't color changing.
Woo!
I guess you could consider this kind of a fidget toy, huh?
What is that?
It's not like a fidget spinner, except it's not a fidget spinner, it's a fidget squeezer.
What's a fidget thing?
You fidget with it. You sit there going doo 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 doo. Instead of spinning it over and over on end.
Yeah, it's sitting there and the things are.
Wow. Look at all that. Mm-hmm. So that is, what is it called again? Fire Boom Moon. Fidget squeezing squishy mesh ball. What color squishy mesh ball you want? So we looked at our local Walmart for these and they did not have them. So I don't know.
Usually they do have things we're looking for, like balls.
We went to Amazon.com for our squishy mesh ball needs.
And Mom has socks. Mom bought socks.
And Mom got socks out of the deal. So that's our video for this.
Pumpkin, it's a pumpkin.
Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Give it a like. Give it a thumbs up too. Give it a squeeze if you have to.
They break easily.
Yep, you can't squeeze these too hard. If we had more of them, it'd be fun to do a test, see how hard you had to squeeze it before it actually blew up. But I suppose each one is a little bit different anyway. Squish! Bloop, 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 bloop. Get in there. Get back in there.
Mine. Mine.
Mine.
Mine.
Mine.
Mine.
Thanks for watching.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
And
I want to wash the table now too.